So another problem I want to highlight today is a problem related to these buttons. The buttons and the program selector knob. So sometimes washing machine might bring a problem, like when you want to power it on, you find it's not powering on. So most people might believe it's the button that has a problem. Probably it may, but there are two cases in this scenario. So when the buttons are not responding, there are two things involved. Probably the button is faulty. That way the button mechanically is faulty, so it's not programming. It's not sending the program to the motherboard, or you can't press the display control board. Then the other circumstance is when you find the display board, it's not working. After the buttons, we have a display board. If the display board is not working, then it cannot execute a command. When you press the power on button, it won't work. So that's a short explanation. So it's either the power board or the button is faulty, it can't press properly, or the display control board has a problem. So check the two in case the machine is not powering on, or in case the machine won't start or stop. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.